Missing local users and groups in Windows 11? Here's why it's gone and how to bring it back. Solution 1. Create a new local administrator account. Let's start by creating a local user account with admin rights. Press the Windows plus R keys on your keyboard. Type netplwiz and press Enter. Now click on Add. Choose Sign in without a Microsoft account. Then click on Local Account. Type a username of your choice. Click Next, then Finish. Now select your newly created username. Click on Properties. Go to the Group Membership tab. Select Others, then choose Administrator from the drop-down. Click Apply, then OK. Next solution. Use third-party tool to access local users and groups. If the local users and groups option is missing, here's how to use a tool to manage it. Open your browser and open the link from the video description. Click on the Code button and select Download Zip. Click Save As. Choose a location and click Save. Now open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Right-click on the downloaded zip file. Select Extract All, then click Extract. Now open the extracted Account Management Master folder. Then open the lusrmgr folder. Open the bin folder, and then the Release folder. Double-click on the lusrmgr file. Click Yes when prompted. Now you'll be able to access and manage all the local users on your system. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.